Okay, so I thought I'd do one more quick run on this thing. I already had it running now for maybe 5 minutes. Just want to do one more run on it now that it's a bit warm. Start off by starting. I don't know if the sound's going to be any better, but I watched that video that I posted the other day and fuck did it sound horrible. So I'm going to try this and see if it sounds any better. I got my iPhone on a different setting. Well, I think that's enough of doing that. I got some mess to clean up. Yeah, if you guys can see that. Yeah, I kind of made a mess of the door. And I guess the chairs. Oh, look at that, eh? It's pretty damn good. Yeah, it leaves the rubber pretty good. Of course, the floor is a bit wet. At the back where I parked it wasn't that bad. It's just from going back and forth. You can see that the paint is just starting to wear off it now. Okay, well, I better park it before neighbors call the cops on me because it's a little bit louder than before, so. Anyway, doing this before when it was a little bit dry, yeah, punching it actually still has a little bit of a hesitation off takeoff, but it isn't, of course, fully up to operating temperature. Only been running 5 minutes. But the actual front wheels started hopping off the ground, so yeah, I don't want to go through that door or anything stupid. So yeah, it's a little bit gassy in here, so I better open the door to let out some fumes. But I just thought I'd post this video, and hopefully it turns out a bit better than my last video. Left a little bit of rubber on the floor, but you know. Okay, that's the end of this. Okay, just thought I'd add this to the video. I ordered a 160 main jet and a 45 pilot jet. Factory, if I remember right, the pilot jet is 40 and the main jet is 152.5. So it is going up a fairly good chunk. I might have to put some smaller jets after that, but for the elevation and everything, from what I can see, that's going to be ideal for my location. So just thought I'd post that in the video. Main jet 160, pilot jet main jet 160, pilot jet 45. So hopefully that's what I just said, but okay, just thought I'd throw that in here instead of putting it in the text on the bottom. So I got those on order, and they should be here probably tomorrow. Sweet. The reason why I ordered them is because I was too lazy to take out the ones on the carburetor and bring them in to match them up. So I just told them to order ones made for my machine. Might have cost me more doing it that way than just getting them from the bulk bin they have, but whatever. Shit happens.